Myth number 6 is the perception that once I marry under customary law, when we are divorcing, my wife will not have access to share the properties I have acquired during the marriage. That is what we think, and that is what many people believe. So men are going to marry and they are asking you questions about whether they should do ordinance marriage or customary marriage and all of that. And their reason for asking is because they think that once they marry under the ordinance and the court will be the only platform that can dissolve the marriage, the court will always inquire into their properties and then it has to be shared and all of that. So they don't want that. So they marry with the intention that should this marriage be dissolved one day, I should not lose all my property. I mean, which is not bad, but the truth is that whether you marry under customary law or the ordinance, issues of property will be addressed. Remember, a spouse can actually make an application to the court to dissolve even a marriage that is not contracted as an ordinance marriage. So a customary law marriage can also be dissolved under the laws of Ghana in a court. So what it means is that if it happens to go to court, issues of property will be raised. And even if you do it in the house under customary rules and then dissolve the marriage in accordance with the customs of the parties concerned, the rule is that the party can actually apply to court for property settlement and for maintenance and for custody and all of those issues. So all of those issues can still be sent to the court even though you have done the dissolution of the marriage out of court. Is because it was a customary marriage. So this is important to note, and it's a legal myth to assume that once you have a customary law marriage, you are not going to share your property with your spouse on dissolution of that marriage. Make it legal.